What's going on, guys? It's your girl Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you follow my company, the Monae Group, on Instagram at the Monae Group Design. Yeah, so let's get into it. We are doing a full balcony redesign. I am super excited for this in my new condo, so let's do it. So of course we start with cleaning out the balcony. We have to clean first, make sure we're working with a clean surface. Before anything, clean it on up. Then we move on. We are going to go down and put our flooring down. I always have flooring on any of my balconies. The gray flooring is what I went with, but I definitely think I'm gonna try the wood flooring when I buy this house I'm about to buy coming up. So I'm excited about that. So yeah, these are really, really easy. They literally click together. I liked mine to be on like a checkerboard kind of way. I don't like them all going the same way, so that's why I do mine like that. So it takes quite a bit to get this whole thing done, but you know, it's really exciting. This entire project probably took about an hour and a half, or less actually, about an hour, because I know what I'm doing. So if you don't, make sure that you do your research and know what you're doing. Put together your design plan in your mind before you get started with the process, so you know exactly what you're doing.
Text back when you're creeping. I ain't a fool, this game is for tour. We used to text for days. Why did I hope you stay?
Over the course of this, I already have a design in my head that I want to see, what I want to do with the balcony.
Intoxicated your potion. I saw we nothing you own. I'm tripping. Going back trying to save moments. Our time is done and I own it. Don't text me back cause you're lonely.
Hey Jersey son, just trying to chat with ya, see what you've been up to these days.
See you calling, but you only call on the weekends. Only text back when you're creeping. I ain't a fool, can play by your rules. I see you calling, but you only call on the weekends. Only text back when you're creeping. I ain't a fool, this game is for tour. See you calling, but you only call on the weekends. Only text back when you're creeping. I ain't a fool, can play by your rules. I see you calling, but you only call on the weekends. Only text back when you're creeping. I ain't a fool, this game is for two.
The balcony doesn't get much sunlight, so I just thought it was a better idea to have the plants sit up high so they can get more access to light. Because even at the highest point of the day, the way that my balcony is faced and the trees, obviously you guys see here, we do not get any kind of direct sunlight from the sun for very long periods of time. So putting my plants up higher so they can get more light, so they can be more healthy. And also I don't have as much storage in this unit as I did in my old place. So the Christmas tree, other things are stored underneath the table behind the couch, which we really, really needed. So I'm glad that I thought about this and was able to make it work. So overall, moving, make sure I clean down the couch sponges before I get started on this table. This is one of the tables from my company that I use for most of my events, and I thought about bringing it home because I also actually recently bought a new table for events specifically. So now this is my home table, balcony table. I love, 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 love it. It's super, super easy to transport to. You just take the legs off, screw them right back on, super easy. We're getting to the end, guys. Decor searching. So if you need us to curate decor for you, we do. If you're in neither of these places, then it will be a little bit longer, but I do events all over. I'm willing to fly out and take care of it, but I do target South Florida and Atlanta because those are the places where I have the biggest network, vendors for catering, vendors for decor, props, the whole nine. So I'm really excited. Building this company has been great over the last 2 years. And I just have such a passion for design that I had to get it started. So we are an LLC, Monae Group LLC, and we have a ton of more amazing projects coming. So happy to see this beautiful, I love my work. I love doing it too. And I'm actually even the hard stuff, I love doing it. I thought this painting would be perfect to put outside for our final reveal. Let's see it. Yes, gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I just love this so much, you guys. I really appreciate y'all for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and look in the comment section. I put all the items that I could actually tag, like the table. I got the table from Ikea. The ones that I could actually tag, I will tag. But some of this is furniture I've had from previous places I don't actually recall. But you guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up right now. Make sure you subscribe because I have more design content coming. Here's our final reveal. I love my balcony. I'm just so happy with it. It's so gorgeous. I just love coming out here, sitting out on the balcony, having my morning tea or afternoon juice or having lunch out here, just relaxing. So relaxing. And I love you guys so much. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at KaylaDottCom with 2 T's. I love y'all for free. See y'all in the next video.